shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, go to that bag.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna learn how to put on a frontal wig. So I got this here. It's an old wig. Got this here from Lumiere Hair. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. It's a bit big, but I know how to make it work. I forgot the texture of the hair, honestly, but I'll leave everything in the description box. Yeah. First, we're gonna take our wig cap and just apply that over our hair. I usually do wigs, but I was being lazy, so I just wanted to do something quick and fast. So I'm gonna take a powder that's like close to your skin tone, and then just take a fluffy brush or whatever and just apply it, because as you can see, my cap is too light. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Now I'm gonna take my big bowl.
We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday.
So while that's drying, just comb the hair back so it doesn't get inside the glue.
We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday.
Now that that's dry, let's start on the wig.
We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday.
And if you gotta go back to touch up like parts that need more free spray or glue, do so. Then we're gonna take some alcohol and wipe off the extra glue. That's on our head.
We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday. We can go party, trip for your birthday.
Now we're gonna take our little scarf and we gonna lay this sucker down.
Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay,